This little Toshiba toaster oven has worked out very well. We did a pork loin and it turned out fantastic. And now we are doing a rotisserie chicken. So I think it will turn out very good, and I've been very pleased even with toasting and warming some foods in it, and did a little spaghetti squash casserole. Fantastic little device. Very happy with it and pleased. Doesn't look too bad. The items that came with it are very nice. The quality is, for its price, we're pretty happy. Thank you.
Walmart pizza. This is almost like a 13-inch pizza, but it sort of fits.